Hey, you need to... On the ground, both of you now! On the ground!
The one here, the one that's running around with no t-shirt came my head, everybody.
A graduation ceremony, a brawl, a can of pepper spray, and a handcuffed suspect gasping for air saying, "I cannot breathe." 3 people were arrested, but was any of it actually legal?
On the ground, both of you now! On the ground! On the ground!
I can breathe, hold on. I can breathe. I can't breathe.
Right, 2 detained, OC deployed. Give me EMS for parking lot.
Hey, can you wear my eyes?
Get up. Get up. Your car open? Yeah.
Hey, come up. I got dirt in my eye.
No, you have OC in your eye because you didn't want to listen to me.
I guess I can't breathe. I can ask you.
The boy here, the one that's running around with no t-shirt came my head, everybody.
I need help. That's a shame. Hey, Tim, I'll be taught.
I just called water from that boy that no t-shirt came and bombed.
I need water.
It's a big hit my baby.
I need water.
My baby on the ground.
Back up now. What are you going to do?
Back up. Hey, baby, they're activated. Yeah, water gonna reactivate it. Lord Jesus.
You take the handcuffs off?
No.
I can feel better. You can hold me. You can put me out.
You wouldn't have got sprayed if you listened, my man.
My nose, bro. I got asthma.
Hey, let me lock your handcuffs.
All right.
Have a seat, bro.
Is he?
Get in the car.
Up my handcuff.
No, get in the car.
I can't breathe.
You're fine. Get in the
I got
car.
asthma, bro.
You're fine. Get in the car.
I got asthma, bro. You ready to wait on this?
Put him in my car. Hey,
Just leaving it to truck.
put him in my car if we have to. Here, put him in my car.
You got sprayed, just...
Excuse me.
Yeah, move. Listen, I'm gonna set you in the car. There's some AC in here. It should be a little better.
We'll get some for you, all right?
I appreciate it.
Hang on.
I got it.
I need water.
We'll get you some.
Have a seat. You don't need to worry about your keys, man. Climb in. Climb all the way. Get away from the car.
25 feet. Keep
Let's
walking.
go.
You're going to jail too. 25 feet.
Keep walking.
25 feet.
Oh no. I got my dad.
Let me see the keys.
I can't hold my eyes. I need water.
Where are your keys at, Trey?
That's in the back pocket.
25 feet.
Get in. Give me the keys so she can leave.
Got me my pocket, fam. In the left one.
Hey.
You feel it?
Yeah, I got it.
You put my money back in my pocket.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Here. Where's she at? Here.
Is this a guy? Let me
Hey, somebody give me some water.
I've got unified command with some sort of 51 there.
Somebody give me water.
You got a glass of water? We don't have any water.
I need some to drink.
I'll be standing by with that officer until they get over here.
Somebody give me water.
No, it's not much. Here, I'm gonna pour it in your mouth.
Pour it in my face?
Yeah.
That's cold water.
All right, no. I'll pour it in your face or your
Yeah,
mouth?
my face first.
Hey, you need to blink, okay? You need to blink like you've never blinked before, or else it won't come out. Think of something sad, it'll make you cry.
Here, stand up. Get out. Now hold your head up.
You gotta take me out of handcuffs right quick.
Yeah.
No, handcuffs
Tilt
ain't
your head
coming
up,
out.
man. You got it all over your face still, okay? You gotta open your eyes.
Blink.
It hurts.
Hey, wait, hold on.
It's gonna get worse, we know. You gotta
Yeah,
blink. We've
blink
been
your
through
eyes.
this.
There you go.
I can't.
You got. I know you think you can, but you can. Come on. Open your eyes.
Hang on, I'm gonna pour more.
Don't wipe it. It's going to make it worse. It'll rub it in. Yep. Just blink, blink, blink.
I can't breathe. Rotate out the handcuffs.
No, handcuffs are come on. You guys got a towel in the car or a shirt?
Responding.
Rotate out the handcuffs.
Block of traffic.
The boys, they just tried to start the same thing yesterday. It's the same.
Rotate me out the handcuffs, please.
Y'all go to the same school?
I can't breathe.
He here with me.
I can't breathe.
They don't go here.
People are
He
leaving
goes
the car
somewhere
unknown
safe.
somewhere.
Is it wet? Here.
Okay.
You put what on it?
I can't breathe.
Wait a minute.
Deep, steady breath, okay?
There you go.
You'll be alright. It's all snotty. He's going to be like that.
Need more water?
Hold on. Worst part is he's going to take a shower in a few hours and he'll start right back up. All
This one got pepper sprayed really good.
Okay.
Y'all got me?
I got you.
What's your name, man?
Trey Nuski.
My name is Jose. I'm with the fire department,
Yes,
man. I understand you're probably feeling a shit ton of burning. Are you feeling anything else right now?
I barely can breathe.
You barely can breathe?
Yeah,
all right.
sure.
Well, I'm going to have my partner check you out. My partner will, all right? Wipe your eyes now, okay?
All right, I appreciate you.
Yep.
I don't think I can open it. I'm gonna need a little more water.
It's going to be a while,
That's
man. You got
saline,
pepper
yeah.
sprayed, so
Yeah.
It's gonna be burning. It
it's
could
going to
be
be burned
hours.
for a while.
Yeah.
There's nothing.
And when you get home tonight, take a shower or whenever, it's gonna reactivate.
All right. Well, you put this on my neck. You put that. What you wipe my
little
face?
water?
Yeah, water or something on my neck.
How's that?
Feel better? Yeah, I feel better.
I got you, buddy.
All right, let's go over here. Back to my car. I got you. Just walk. I got you.
You gonna put me in the car?
Yeah, I'm gonna put you in a car because fire rescue is still dealing with people that got injured. You're kind of gonna be last. So help me understand. So these kids just walked by you. They don't even know you and said something. You all started fighting.
Yeah, something like that. I was waiting on my girlfriend, and then they just started fighting.
They just walked up to you and started fighting. I mean, what was said that made somebody so mad that you guys would fight since you don't know each other?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know? Because this has been going on. This wasn't the first fight from today.
Oh, it been a fight?
Yeah, before yours.
I ain't know nothing about it. I just got here
Oh.
I came 30 minutes ago.
Oh, so the first one might not be related to yours?
Yeah, I don't know who fought the first time.
Oh, because I know they made a couple arrests on that one too.
Yeah, I didn't know it was going to be a fight. I was just coming to watch my family and my girlfriend.
Yeah. Well, I can tell you this. If somebody planned to have a fight at a graduation, that's pretty...
Yeah, that's stupid.
You just ruined a bunch of people's day.
Yeah.
So they all just rushed them. All the boys rushed them.
Is this the first fight?
And the boys are like 26, 27. They're just turning 18.
Okay. So they're not going to jail for this fight.
Okay.
I can... It's going to be hard to
Or if I
identify.
try to get names or something.
It's going to be hard to identify
them?
anybody off of this.
Okay, especially since it's so crowded.
Are you able to send this to me?
Mm-hmm. Will they have a bond?
Yeah.
Like under $500.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
It's a misdemeanor. It's raw.
OMG. They've never been to jail before. Like
He's been in jail before. I don't know about them.
I don't know who's back there. Like them two never
I
been
don't
to
know
jail.
about these
We've
two.
been keeping them out of
Does he have any AC back there?
Yeah, he's got the back AC and then the front AC is
But are
all
they
max.
complying with you guys? If they
This guy is. I don't know.
Now they are.
I'm sure he is.
I think
They are after they got sprayed.
spray.
And he said that both of the fights, they ran up on them. And it was apparently a bunch of them and only 2 or 3 of them.
So, it was chaos, right? These two were actually, these three were actually physically fighting. That's who I went to, right? Then I got surrounded. They were ignoring my commands, hence they got
The
sprayed.
boys are kicking them all in their head and everything.
The first fight, yeah,
Yes.
I was late to that fight. I don't know.
What about
Fuck.
the boys that did the jumping? Where are they?
We're looking for them, but we can't. They took off. Once we started getting in the area, everybody dispersed that first fight.
Open my eyes, too.
There you go. Hey, just don't sit in each other's lap, okay? They frown upon that.
The answer does not come from opinion or commentary. It comes from 3 Supreme Court decisions that every officer and every citizen should know by name. Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S., 386, decided 1,989. This is the controlling standard for every use of force decision made by law enforcement in the United States. Graham established 3 factors courts used to measure reasonableness. First, the severity of the crime at issue. Second, whether the subject posed an immediate threat. Third, whether the subject was actively resisting arrest. All 3 factors were present here. An active brawl in a public venue, multiple subjects within arm's reach, and direct non-compliance with lawful commands. The force continuum escalation holds. Terry versus Ohio, 392 U.S. 1. Decided 1,968. Officers conducting lawful crowd control have full authority to issue binding commands. Non-compliance is not a gray area. It is legal justification to move up the force continuum. Estelle versus Gamble, 429 U.S. 97, decided 1,976. The Supreme Court held that deliberate indifference to the serious medical needs of a person in custody violates the 8th Amendment. This is not optional. It is constitutional law. Once handcuffed, a subject cannot help themselves. That dependency transfers legal responsibility to the officer. A person in custody who reports a respiratory condition and chemical agent exposure has a cognizable medical need, the officer responded. You are fine. Get in the car. That is not a medical assessment. Under Estelle versus Gamble, a court would scrutinize whether that dismissal constitutes deliberate indifference. Fire rescue was eventually summoned and responded on scene. Courts applying Estelle examined the totality of custodial care. Not a single moment in isolation. The medical response matters, but the sequence of that response matters equally. Miranda versus Arizona, 384 U.S., 436, decided 1,966. Prior to any custodial interrogation, a subject must be advised of the right to remain silent and the right to counsel. Statements obtained without that advisement face suppression. The subject was handcuffed inside a patrol vehicle when the officer began questioning him about the fight. No Miranda advisement appears in the available transcript. Any statement made carries significant suppression risk at trial. Lessons for officers. Use of force decisions must satisfy all 3 Graham factors and be documented with specificity. The continuum protects officers only when each step and each reason is on the record. Lessons for officers continued. A medical complaint from a restrained subject is never a matter of officer judgment alone. It is a legal obligation. The correct response is immediate evaluation, not reassurance. Lessons for subjects. Non-compliance with a lawful command does not win a constitutional argument. It creates one. The correct moment to contest legality is in a courtroom, represented by counsel, not at the scene. Lessons for subjects continued. Any statement made while in handcuffs, inside a patrol vehicle, in response to officer questions, is a custodial statement. You have the right to say nothing. That right does not expire. So here is where the law leaves us. The force used was likely defensible under Graham. The medical dismissal may be actionable under Estelle. The informal questioning may have violated Miranda entirely. 3 people were charged. 3 Supreme Court cases apply. Did each charge survive constitutional scrutiny? Did the officers stay inside the lines the law drew for them? And what happened when the camera stopped rolling?